Hello everyone! The pressure relief valve is an essential component for system safety. Its role is to limit the maximal pressure in hydraulic circuit. The pressure relief valve is installed on the pump pressure line in order to bypass the oil flow if the pressure in the circuit becomes too high. It's built with two main components, a poppet and a spring. That pressure relief valve is a normally closed component at rest position. It can be adjustable or a fixed cranking value. The pump provides a flow to the motor. If we press the brake pedal, the load on the motor increases together with the pressure in the circuit. If the pressure reaches the cracking pressure of the relief valve, it will be opened. The oil flow from the pump will therefore flow through the relief valve back to the tank. We commonly say that we laminate. This phenomenon has a bad side. It generates heat in the hydraulic circuit. In another side, it's the most important component as it will protect the pump. It acts as a fuse. If we then release the brake and reduce the load on the wheel, the pressure will decrease. The pressure relief valve will close, helped by its internal spring.